Hello ladies and gentlemen, myself Manish and welcome you to a new video of Technical Chaharji. So Vivo last week has launched its new phone by the name of the Vivo Y90. And in this video I'm going to talk to you about that how you should stay away from this Vivo Y90. What are the specifications and how it's not going to support your basic needs. So without wasting time, let's get started with the video. So let me just first start with this Vivo Y90 specification. It's coming with your MediaTek processor of A22. Not even P22 or P60 is powered by the A22. It has a beautiful backup camera or the rear camera of 8 megapixel plus the front camera or the selfie camera of 5 megapixel. It's not been providing the full HD. You can even see the tear down notch, but the full HD is not. It's running on your 720 to 1280 pixels. Tell you it's not full HD, just a normal display retina which you're getting with this Vivo V90. It has a backup battery of around 4000 mAh. With the battery backup is okay, but the other specification which the Vivo is providing is not so being great. You're just getting a single rear camera setup on the back and you're not been getting any sort of full HD display with this Vivo Y90. And the price range is around 7,000 rupees. In the 7,000 rupees, you're not getting the 3 gigabytes or the 32 gigabytes. You're just getting the 2 gigabytes and the 16 gigabytes of internal storage. Storage is less. Your camera is not so great. You're not getting a full HD. Why should anyone take this Vivo Y90? You can even easily confuse a consumer who is going to buy this price range. Another phone, you can say that it's coming with a branded phone which is from the Vivo and it's already doing a lot of marketing. So Vivo has again come with this sort of a very low budget phone. The phone is not worth it of that money. I still say in that price range you should go for the Realme C2 or for the Realme 3i. So that's all which I want to tell you in this video. So if you like this video, give a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share this with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I see you all in the next one.